Do you want to hear an update from my Amazon affiliate videos?
Sure.
This month, $161, 82 items sold, 2,790 clicks, 2.94% conversion rate. And
that's good for the conversion rate. Is it like, do you know the benchmarks or not?
I don't know the benchmarks, but I've stopped doing them a long time ago, like you know.
Yeah.
I don't remember. I posted in a community, in our private community, how many videos I did. Maybe I did like 80 videos or something. But point is, like, I also got invited into this creator program. I recently received an email. I accepted it. And they give you an extra $160 bonus if you ship over $4,000 a month in revenue. And this month alone, already I shipped over $5,500 in revenue. So I'm pretty confident that like next month and in the month after that, I'm gonna ship as well. So to me, and the commission I got this month is 161, right? So basically, next month I will receive over $320 in commission from Amazon, 160 from direct commission, and the bonus of 160 because I will most likely ship over $4,000 worth of revenue. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Does Amazon give that bonus extra?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
They have like this little thingy. I'm accepted already. I don't know if I can find it or not. I can actually look it up for you guys if you want to take a look at this. Bounty program, promo code. Oh, creator rewards. Okay, let me see. Current, upcoming. Oh, yeah, there we go. So let me actually pull this up here on the screen. Again, you guys, those of you, by the way, last time we did this, when you shared your screen, there was a big spike in retention. I don't know if you saw that or
That's
not.
funny. That's funny.
Yeah. Share screen. Okay. Amazon Associates. So, can you see my screen?
Almost, yes.
Okay. So, this is the Amazon affiliate program, right? These are the creator rewards. So, I got accepted into them. I'm eligible. So, you can see that this is the ship revenue and this is the flat fee. So, if I ship over 4K, right, I'm going to get $160 bonus. And I'm here.
It caps at 4,000, or if you do more, you get more.
Well, the thing is, it might be that, you know, if you do more, you get more, but I've only gotten, you know, $5,500 ship revenue this month. And since I'm already here, I might as well show you guys like the back end here to show you what's going on. So here's the data. You can see 161 this month, 80 items shipped, 82 total ordered items, clicks 2.79K, conversion 2.94. Yeah. And my highest day was 1993, $20. So I had $20 day, I had a $20 day, and another $18 day. So that makes up for like $60 in 3 days.
That's nice. And you don't make those videos anymore either. So it's now just generating new revenue for upcoming months or years.
Yeah, the last video I posted for this Amazon thing was 60 days ago.
Yeah. So
So
now
I
it's
posted,
compounding.
now it's compounding and actually and those videos as well that I posted, I checked, they're making now like about 35 or something dollars per month in ad revenue as well on top of that. So it's like alone by itself is not much, but when you just start to like add all these sources and you all direct them into your bank account, you know, a little bit from here, a little bit from here, a little bit from here, ding, 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 ding. And then it starts to compound.
You're probably already break even then with the ad revenue and the commissions right now, right? On the cost that the video costs you.
No, I think I'm halfway because the videos cost me like I think $800. I posted in our private community. I did like a whole breakdown, so it was like 800. I'm definitely over halfway already break even.
Okay.
Halfway break even in 2 months.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's pretty fast compared to like if you had only AdSense.
Yeah, and only 2 main videos ranked, by the way, as well. So it's funny. Only like not 2 videos ranked, more videos ranked, but like the heavy hitters, the ones who are bringing in all the like the majority of the rev and the majority of the clicks and stuff, are like 2 or 3 vids basically. and they're driving the most conversions and everything on Amazon. So
yeah, but that's for now. Can change, of course. Like videos rank randomly, but it's nice. That's a good sign that strategy also worked, basically.